On behalf of the government and people of Pakistan, I would like to convey our heartfelt felicitations to His Excellency President Xi Jinping and the Chinese people on the 100th anniversary of the Communist Party of China. I am confident that our discourse in this summit would shed new light on the role of political parties in advancing the well-being of people. Founding of the CPC in 1921 was a seminal event in world history. The vision of CPC leadership ignited the spirit of the Chinese nation and encouraged them to wage an epic struggle for liberation from foreign occupation. Chairman Mao Zedong and subsequently Deng Xiaoping guided the Chinese people in reclaiming national dignity, self-pride, self-respect, and China's rightful place in the world. For decades, the CPC's spirit instilled new vigor and hope beyond China's borders. It inspired people of the colonized nations and contributed to the end of colonialism. CPC's astonishing success rests in the people-centric approach of its development philosophy, its inclusive development philosophy. It remained committed to serve the people and prioritize their well-being and interests. CPC's achievements of all-round national development, poverty alleviation, anti-corruption campaign, and nation building are truly remarkable. It's something what we hope to emulate in Pakistan. Excellencies, CPC's achievements have opened new vistas of thought for political parties across the world. CPC has proven that attainment of political power is primarily meant for bringing a transformation in the lives of people and making them masters of their destiny. Indeed, political parties can only enjoy public support and legitimacy if they continue to serve the people selflessly. President Xi's visionary leadership has played a pivotal role in China's transformation and continued rise. His people-centric philosophy has made a critical difference, as recently China has eliminated extreme poverty.